I have some bad news, and some of you are probably gonna feel the same way I do. So I was going to the gym. I was going for like a year, and I was starting to lose weight. Everything was starting to firm up. My skin was looking tighter. And then I stopped working out for, I don't know, 2-3 weeks. And then I looked down and I saw that I was gaining weight. I saw that my skin wasn't as firm. And I was like, go figure. You have to continue to work out to maintain the results. People will say the same thing when it comes to skincare. They'll say that they bought the product, they used it 1 time or 3 times, and they're like, well, it didn't work. I mean, we truly cannot expect to go into the gym, lift weights 3 or 4 times and expect to have the body that we had when we were in our 20s. And the same thing applies with skincare. I get it, it's bad news. It's not good information that we wanna hear. Who doesn't want one and done magical results the first time you use a product? And you don't want to have to buy products over and over and over, and you do want instant results. I also have some good news for you. I wanted to share with you like 3 products that will give you instant results, and then a couple products that are my holy grails that you're not gonna get instant results. And if it's not in your budget, then you just don't want to buy it, because it's not something you can buy 1 time and, you know, your skin's going to completely change. But one product that I think is probably one of the best launches of 2025 are these 𝑫𝑰𝑺𝑪. These are the Pore Perfect pads. If you want instant results, you look in the mirror, you don't like the way your skin looks, you feel like, you know, you're of the mature age, your fine lines and wrinkles are peeking out a little more than you'd like, you have little crusties and dusties on your skin, or if you do your foundation and you're like, oh my gosh, this is the best foundation ever, and then you look in a mirror and you see all these dry patches that the foundation is catching onto, these pads will fix it instantly. This has an ingredient in it that's going to basically chemically eat off all of those dead flaky skin cells that are just sitting on the surface of your skin, making your skin look dull. Maybe you feel like it looks like you have a little bit of hyperpigmentation just sitting on the surface. This can help gently pull that off without you having to scrub or tug. This also has an acid that goes down inside your pores, so if you feel like your pores kind of look bigger and stretched out, this will basically chemically scoop out anything that's sitting in your pores, making them look bigger, and just give you that really tight snatched look. But then this also adds a little bit of vitamin C for your antioxidants. It adds a bunch of plumping and hydration. This is like an instant facial in a bottle, and you didn't have to spend a ton of money going to a spa. I'm gonna share with you a couple other products that will give instant results, because I get it, nobody wants the bad news to know that we have to continue to buy products over and over and over just to get those results. But this is bad news, and it's kind of good news. This is my all-time favorite Holy Grail Growth Factor Serum. This is on a huge sale right now, 44% off, and I think the sale ends today. So I ended up buying a few of them only because it's not gonna expire, and then I don't have to buy these all year long when they're super duper expensive. But if you think that you're only gonna use this 1 bottle and then you know your skin's gonna change, it's not gonna happen. Now, I will say you will start to see results with this. Within 2 weeks of using this, I was just walking by a mirror and I had to take a double take, because I was like, oh my gosh, my jowls didn't look as jowly. They just looked a lot more firm. The texture of my skin was a lot more smooth, and overall my skin just looked more youthful, and I felt like I looked like I was aging gracefully. This serum worked in 2 weeks for me. But of course, with continued use, you're gonna see more and more and more results. The problem is, I've stopped using this so many times because number one, it's expensive and I don't like to pay full price. That's why I'm like blown away that it's 44% off right now. But the problem with this is I've stopped using this thinking, don't ask why, thinking that I'm gonna be able to maintain those results. And literally within, I don't know, 3-4 weeks, I'll look in the mirror and I'm like, something's off. And then I realized I stopped using my growth factor serum that helps regenerate the cells in my skin. This is from the makers of Botox, by the way. This, I think, was originally used to like heal burn wounds and things like that. But this is really great for anti-aging or aging gracefully. For me, it's a holy grail because it's made such a difference and just giving me back that more youthful appearance. Now, I'm 53 years old. I'm not trying to look 23, but I want to look the best that I can at 53. So unfortunately, the bad news is if you want to maintain those results, you can't just buy this once and then just stop using it like I've done so many times. A lot of times we don't notice how great a product is until we stop using it. And boy, oh boy, do I wish this would give permanent results by just using it once, because I think it's pretty expensive. So if this is something that you love, even though it's 44% off, I'm not trying to encourage you to spend more that's in your budget. But if this is something you know you continue to use throughout the year, why spend full price on it throughout the year when you could get it 44% off right now? And I think they're giving away huge free gifts, like $120 value of free gifts as well. All right, let's get back to the instant result product that you can use one time and see results. This is something, I've shared this for years. This is from the brand Dermalect. This is their Confidence Crease Concentrate. So many times in my videos, people are like, oh my gosh, your hands look so youthful. What do you do? Well, I do put on the backs of my hands pretty much what's left over that I used for my face. But many times when I'm leaving the house or if I'm filming or whatever, or if I have to show my hands up close, I put this on the backs of my hands. This gives me instant results. It's extremely smoothing, but it almost like blurs out my pores and any little crepiness or fine lines and wrinkles. It plumps everything up. Now this doesn't even have water in it, so this is like the pure ingredients, and it kind of like forms this little film on my skin, but it's so soft, like it feels like silk or velvet. And then it just makes my hands look so pretty and youthful. I actually learned this trick. I was watching somebody on QVC, Colleen, somebody back in the day, and she always said she would use like face primers and things like that on the backs of her hands when she had to show jewelry. And so I thought, well, since this works miracles on my chest, I was like, let me just try it on my hands. And I love what this does for my hands. Now, what I originally used this for is I use this on my chest. I'm a side sleeper and I have this hyperpigmentation here from years of, wearing V-necks, not wearing sunscreen. I'm not sure if you can even tell. I don't want to get it on my shirt. Let's lift this up. I should have done this with the robe on. But what I do when I'm wearing a low-cut top and I don't want my side sleeping wrinkles and crinkles, and I just want all of this to look smooth and not as aged, I put just one pump of this on, I blend it in, and now you can put this on your face, by the way. I don't put this on my face because it has an ingredient that for some reason my face will get little pimples, but on my hands, my chest, it never bothers me. And you probably aren't acne prone like me. My skin as far as acne is still like, a teenager, so all weird things will break me out. But the average person, from the reviews, they do put this on their face and I don't hear of anybody saying they break out. I will even put this on my neck because I have this big scar from my spinal surgery, and I'll put it on my neck. I'll put it on this little wrinkle here. If you want to see it up close, I have another video. I'm going to pop it up here so you can see the instant results. It's within a minute, you start to see how smooth it looks. Within like 10 minutes, I mean, it looks like you've had something done to your chest to just pretty much smooth out all of those wrinkles and crinkles. So this gives you instant results, but this is also a product that, most of the people in the comments, they say that they, use this long term. I just like to use it when I need to make my chest look better, but people using this long term, they are absolutely blown away. They talk about the confidence that this gives them, just really smoothing out the wrinkles and crinkles in their face. And this also, if you use it underneath your makeup, really, it's like a primer. It makes your makeup go on really pretty, but this has really good anti-aging ingredients. So this is something that will give you instant results. All right, let's talk about some bad news again. Another product I love that's not gonna give you instant results is an eyelash growth serum. This one's also from the brand Dermalect. This is the one that I've been using now for a couple years. I stopped using, my favorite was Revitalash, but that has a harmful ingredient that I learned that can make the fat melt around our eyes and give us that kind of hollowed appearance. And the older we get, we want to keep all the fat on our face. We don't want to have our eyes look sunken, and also it can darken the eyelids and all of that. And so it's like, it's not worth it, in my opinion, just to have pretty lashes. So I started using this. This doesn't have the harmful ingredients in it. It took a little longer to make my lashes grow. Like with Revitalash, within a month, my lashes are just like going crazy. But again, I noticed a lot of hollowing and this sunken appearance here after the years went by of using Revitalash. But with this, my lashes, it took, I'd say, about 2 to 3 months. And then once they started growing, the growth phase, they just stay so long and pretty. But the bad news, of course, is you're just not gonna get instant results. I remember the first time I ever tried a lash growth serum, it was one time when I had a facial. I've had like 5 in my entire life. And the girl's lashes were so pretty. I'm like, are those fake lashes? What do you have on? And she's like, no, it's my lash growth serum. But back then, it was something similar to Revitalash that had all the harmful ingredients. And I'm like, oh, it's so pretty. And so I bought it, and it was expensive. It was like $100. And I put it on at night, and I woke up the next day and I looked in the mirror and I'm like, she's not telling me the truth. My lashes are still short. Well, little did I know, it takes a long time for these types of products to work. And the other bad news is, once you get your lashes super long and you're like, wow, they look so pretty long and healthy, if you stop using this, your lashes will get short again. You know, they'll fall out, they'll get crunchy. So this is a product that not only makes my lashes super long and healthy, but it prevents them from falling out. It extends that growth phase. It just makes them look so pretty with mascara on. This is also on a huge sale right now too. So if you are wanting to add some zhuzh to your lashes and you don't want to pay full price, I've tried to buy everything I possibly can to stock up for the whole year. Probably went a little too crazy, but I don't like to pay full price for anything. So if any of these are things that you're interested in, now is the time to pick them up. Another product that is a holy grail that you're not gonna get instant results with. This was something, I saw this on a website somewhere and it made me chuckle. Somebody wrote in and said, I've already been using this for 2 weeks and my spots are still on my face. Well, unfortunately, our spots didn't develop in 2 weeks. Our spots have developed over years and years and years. We're probably doing things like what I did, like laying in a tanning bed, and that takes years to start seeing all those spots come to the surface. So unfortunately, even though this is one of my holy grail face serums that will break up that pigment and prevent new dark spots from forming, and if you have little age spots or sunspots, it will break them up. It does take a few months, and you can't just use it once a week. You pretty much have to use this at least once a day, and then of course you have to use sunscreen. So bad news is, if you want just one of these, you might see some results, a little bit of fading, but if you want the fading to really break up and to really reveal that beautiful, healthy, clear, even skin tone, unfortunately, you're gonna have to use more than just one bottle. It's also on a huge sale, and so I just bought 4 more, but I got these 40% off. If you wanna be able to get anything from this brand, May-Love, or if you want to try out this dark spot serum that I absolutely love, if you get 2 of them, it's 20% off, but if you get 4 of them, it is 40% off. I'll leave the instructions down below of how to get these discounts. And if there's any other Black Friday sales that you're interested in, I have all the little insider tips of all of the popular Black Friday sales. Some sales are like 85% off, so make sure you're looking down in my description box. And I do believe many of these sales end today or tomorrow, so make sure you look down in the description box if you're trying to take advantage of some of the huge Black Friday sales. If you want instant results, another product that is phenomenal. If you're dealing with hair loss, hair shedding, your hair's not, growing the way it used to, this is a product also from May-Love. And also something I didn't realize when I bought all 4 of these, you don't have to get 4 of the same product. You could get one of these, one of these, one of these, and or 2 of these and these. You can mix and match and get any 4, but you'll still get 40% off. I didn't realize that. But anyways, this is their full follicle shampoo and conditioner. I've shared it now for, I don't know, 6 months, ever since it came out. This gives you instant results. If you feel like your hair just looks flat, it's not full, it doesn't look healthy, if it's falling out, this shampoo and conditioner is phenomenal. Now, if you only wash your hair once a week, you're not gonna like this, because this isn't like a detoxifying shampoo. This is very gentle, especially if you have color treated hair. And it's great if you wash your hair daily, or if you wash it every other day. I shared it in a few other videos, and my hair, I have my hair slicked back in a bun because I'm gonna color it later on. I have a ton of gray hair, and I just put like my eyeshadow here to hide it, but I have literally like this much gray hair, white hair. So I'm gonna color it. I have a lot of hair, and so I've shared it in other videos that I get instant results. Every single time I use this, I'm blown away. But of course, if you're dealing with hair loss, hair shedding, and all of that, this is something that you want to continue to use, and I just get great results with it. And then I get even better results because this is one of their products. It's like a whole system. I will use this every single day, and I don't use this every day because I don't wash my hair every day, but this I do use every day. And this, I have so many like chia pet hairs growing everywhere because this serum is phenomenal at helping with hair shedding, hair growth, and all of that. And it's a great price even without the 40% off discount. But do you see this? This is like water. It's not like those other hair serums that are thick and greasy and oily, and then you feel like, well, darn, now I gotta wash my hair again. I'm able to use this every day. Even if I don't wash my hair for 3 days, it doesn't leave that weird buildup or anything in my hair. But this won't give you instant results. This will give instant results. But within, I'd say, probably 2 to 3 months, that's when I started noticing all the little extra hairs growing and my hair getting fuller and thicker. This is a great whole system. So if you wanted the 40% off and you wanted to get these 3 or get 2 of these and this, that's how their sale works. And if you want instant results to color your grays, just get some box hair color and then it'll look like you went to the salon, but for 10 bucks. And then one other product that is a holy grail, this nail polish, you're probably like, a white nail polish? This isn't a nail polish, this is a nail concealer. And I don't get my nails done at the spa or anything like that, but if you look at your nails and you're like, oh man, they just look raggedy, they look terrible. This is a concealer that will hide every imperfection on your nail, but it will also get rid of ridges, any spots, but it will make your nails look like they're healthy, beautiful nails. Now I keep mine super short, but instantly it gives this beautiful kind of pinky white iridescent look to the nails, and it just looks like you spent $50, $60, $70 and had your nails done at the salon. This is absolute perfection, and I love it because I only have to do 1, maybe 2 coats, and it dries so fast. But the other thing I love is, since I don't like to be bothered with my nails, once I put this on, it's been on now for like 4 days. Once I have this on, it's gonna stay on my nails for like 2 weeks. No chipping, no nothing. I mean, I don't wear gloves when I wash dishes. None of that. This stuff stays put. It is absolutely phenomenal. They have a few different shades of their nail concealers. They also have, you know, regular nail polish also. And I'm just not big on wearing bright, colorful nail polish, but all of their nail concealers are really pretty. But the white one and pink one, my absolute favorite. So maybe you're in a hurry, you know, you get all fixed up and you're going somewhere and you look at your nails and you're like, oh no, I don't have time to go get them done. Get nail concealer, not regular nail polish. You want to try nail concealer. It will change the game of doing your nails. All of these products I mentioned are on a huge sale right now. So again, make sure you look down in the description box to look at the discount codes, any of the links. And YouTube will probably be like popping up their shopping links. I wouldn't click those because they're not necessarily to the authorized retailers that are offering these huge discounts. I've made sure to link every authorized retailer that has all of the biggest sales. And by the way, you don't have to use my links. You can just Google things that you're interested in. I don't do sponsored videos. I never have, never will. I don't do paid partnerships with brands. I do use affiliate links, but there's no pressure to ever click on my links. Just like I said, Google products that you're interested in. If you do, use my links. Thank you very much. So leave me a comment and let me know down below. Do you have any bad news and good news products that you love so much, but you're like, darn it, I gotta keep using those for such a long time to see results? Or are there any products that maybe you didn't like because you were like, I'm not seeing any results? And then when you tried another bottle or another jar or whatever, then you were like, oh my golly, this stuff really does work. Leave me a comment down below if that's happened to you. I mean, I know the working out thing. I mean, that does seem like common sense. Obviously, if we stop working out, the results go away. But I know sometimes people think with skincare that you use 1 bottle and the results will last for the rest of our lives. And that's just not the case. If you want to see another detailed video of how I use this and all of my other skincare products, how to layer different skincare products, if you want to see another video, I am going to pop that up here if you wanted to click on it and check it out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.